Hey, this is Spencer Su, your Bay Area real estate agent, and I am here in this new construction community in Castro Valley built by KB Homes, showcasing an incredible new development of all sorts of different styles that some of them you will not have ever seen. Behind me here, we're going to take a look at two different model homes because this community is going to be a pretty small community with only about 40 or so units. And just to give you a heads up, 15 of them have already been sold. Now these homes are going to offer breathtaking designs and a range from a delightful 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,423 square foot townhome starting about $1 million, going up to a 4-bed, 3.5-bath, 2,033 square foot home with an option of an in-law unit for $1.288 million. Now, if you're returning to my channel, welcome back. If you're new, I'm Spencer Su, a Bay Area realtor here to help you navigate this market with examples, insights, and resources for all of your critical real estate decisions. These homes are going quickly, so let's dive in and explore what's available, reach out, and let's go over your options together. All right, welcome to this beautiful new community of townhome-style condos right here in Castro Valley, zoned for the highly desirable Castro Valley Unified School District. This development offers a variety of floor planning with an accessory dwelling unit, which is an ADU, perfect for extra living space or rental income. In this location, you're just a short walk from the Castro Valley BART station with easy access to Highway 580, the Tri-Valley, the Mid-Peninsula, and the San Jose Silicon Valley job centers. Plus, you're close to outdoor recreations like Chabot Regional Park and Coal Canyon Regional Recreation Area. These homes sit in a park-like setting with community play areas, bike lanes, bike racks, a bike repair station, seating, open space, and even art installations. I have an exclusive look so you can see for yourself what is coming around the corner and how long will the move be. Take a look at this virtual map together with my colleague.
These 3 buildings, we have April, May, and then July. This one's going to be a quick move-in, so if you want to take a walk through that one will be ready by the end of April.
Okay.
And that's planned 1495.
1495, okay.
These buildings here are going to be probably November. We just released them. So longer escrow. And then on Castro Valley Boulevard, we've got some commercial and then homes we're going to be building on top of that. Okay. 47 total. Okay. All right, let's take a look at the first one, which is Plan 1423.
Now this is going to be a 3-bed, 3-bath, 2-car tandem garage sitting on 3 stories. Because this is one of the smaller and most affordable units, it will always be in the middle of a row of townhomes. You'll see this beautiful open floor plan with a bed and a full bathroom on this second level. I like the choices that they have made. It's kind of going back in style. You don't see too many of these brown oak styles anymore, especially with these darker countertops. So I like the choice. What do you think about this? Do you see people coming back to the preferences of before? Here you got a beautiful balcony that only select units have. So if this is of interest, you gotta focus on specific locations that will actually even have this balcony. As we go upstairs, you'll have your remaining 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Here you have a stackable washer and dryer. As we enter in the bedrooms, what's great about these is that both of them will have their own ensuite. No need to fight for separate bathrooms, no need to even go out of the room for your bathroom. It's all in the convenience next to the bedroom. As we enter in the primary, you're gonna see these dual sink vanities, a separate enclosed toilet space. I like this little setup here where you can put your own drawers. And then here you're gonna have a closet that has 2 separate entrances from each side that does wrap around. we're gonna end up with the 1749. And what's unique about this one is that you rarely see townhomes with also an ADU in it. So this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom with an ADU. So check this out. Check out this attached studio. You have a full kitchen and bathroom. And this will start at about $1.234 million. A really cool and interesting setup. I have not seen a single one of these like this before. So good on them to creating such a product. Right, it has its own separate entrance. Still got a coat closet and for storage. And as you go into the main hall, right now they have it as a sales office, but this will be a 2-car side-by-side garage. Here's your coat closets on the main level. You have a full bath here because you do have a full bedroom on this level too. This particular floor plan will be the end unit, so you can see lots of natural light that will come in. Beautiful kitchen. I like the fact that they chose these finishes. Most of the finishes that you see are those white countertops, white cabinets, but now black looks really nice with the streak of some white lines. And some of them will also have this balcony. So not all of these units will have balconies. And then as we go upstairs, go to the last 2 bedrooms. Here you have your own separate laundry room. You have your spacious bedrooms. Got your nice closet behind the door. This is an ensuite. And we'll walk to the other side, which will be the primary bedroom. Beautiful dual sink vanity. Separate room for the toilet. You can have extra shelves and storage there. And you'll have 2 doors enter in for your closet. Let's see if it circles around. And the answer is yes. Okay. All right, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that tour as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. With nearly half of these units already selling out, homes are moving quickly, and it's going to be really hard for you to be able to find such a great entry-level price point for brand new construction. Now, whether you're looking for convenience to BART, top schools, or outdoor recreation, this community has it all. And I personally cover all price ranges. If it's a starter place at $500,000 to $10 million, I'm here to serve you. My contact detail is going to be right over here, so don't hesitate to reach out. Once again, homes are selling very quickly, so let's go over your options together. The Bay Area market is full of opportunities right now, especially for buyers looking to negotiate and sellers ready to strategize. Reach out, let me be your resource, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.